Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Furnace Academia School online classes, and today we are going to do class 9 subject chemistry. Topic is state of matter and phase changes. Subtopic is reading plus explanation of the topic effect of temperature on solubility of a solute. So student, first of all you must be aware of the word solubility. Solubility is the process in which we will find out how much solute will be get mixed in 100 grams of water or any solvent. So first of all you must be aware of what is solute and what is solvent. You have a glass of water and you have added 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. So sugar will be solute. जो नॉर्मल अमाउंट में या लेस अमाउंट में होता है सॉल्यूशन के अंदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉल्यूट. फॉर एग्जांपल a tablespoon of sugar is a solute. Then solvent, water is the solvent in which we will dissolve the solute. That thing is solvent. If we are adding solute sugar in the water, so water will be the solvent. Solute plus solvent equals to solution. Solute plus solvent equals to solution. So solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. Solubility क्या है बेटा? कितनी amount of solute add हो सकती है 100 gram of solvent में at a given temperature, किसी भी normal temperature पे, तो उसको आप solubility कहते हैं. ठीक है? For example, 100 gram of water adding 5 tablespoon of sugar, so its solubility is 5 tablespoon. Okay? So this is a topic. What is the effect of temperature on the solubility of the solute? Solute जो हम add करेंगे उसकी solubility पे temperature का क्या effect होता है? So on page number 11 we have the topic. The solubility of a solute is the amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 gram of a solvent at a particular temperature. मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. Solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in a 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature. So solubility कहते हैं. Change in temperature has different effect on the solubility of different compounds. Different compounds की solubility पे different effect होता है temperature का. Usually the solubility increase with the increase in temperature. Solubility basically increase हो जाती है with the increase in temperature. आप temperature increase करेंगे तो उसकी solubility यानी कि dissolve करने की जो सलाहियत है वो भी बढ़ जाएगी. Okay? There are large number of compounds whose solubility in water increase with the increase in temperature. Example: potassium nitrate and silver nitrate and potassium chloride. ऐसे बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स हैं जिनकी solubility increase हो जाती है with the increase in temperature. जिसमें हमारे पास नाम आते हैं potassium nitrate, its formula is KNO3, silver nitrate AgNO3, potassium chloride KCl. Okay. The solubility of sodium chloride in water does not increase appreciably with the increase in temperature. Sodium chloride NaCl is a salt that will be used in your home or at home. So sodium chloride की solubility is not appreciably increased with the increase in temperature. बहुत अच्छे से अगर आप इन सब की तो solubility increase होती है अच्छे से के temperature के increase करने से, but सोडियम क्लोराइड की जो solubility है वो बहुत अच्छे से increase नहीं होती with the increase in temperature. The solubility of compound like lithium carbonate Li2C3 CO3 and calcium carbonate chromate decrease with the increase in temperature. Two compounds ऐसे हैं जिनकी solubility decrease होती है increase होने पे. temperature अगर increase होगा तो उनकी solubility decrease हो जाएगी. And the two compounds are lithium carbonate and calcium chromate. Okay? The solubility of gases. अब हम ये हमने compounds की बात कर ली, solids की बात कर ली, हम gases की बात करते हैं. So as like solids, gases की भी solubility जो है वो increase नहीं होती बल्कि decrease हो जाती है. ठीक है? decrease होगी. अगर increase करेंगे temperature को तो solubility of the gases जो है वो decrease हो जाएगी. Solubility of copper sulfate and sodium nitrate also increase with the two other compounds we have sodium copper sulfate and sodium nitrate. इनकी भी जो है वो solubility increase होती है with the increase in temperature. However, solubility of calcium hydroxide decrease with the increase in temperature. और एक हमारे पास कंपाउंड है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, जिसकी solubility decrease होती है with the increase in temperature. So students, आज हमने कुछ इस तरह की चीज़ें पढ़ी कि जिसमें हमने कहा which compounds have the the increasing solubility. With the increase in temperature, and some of the compounds do not increase their solubility with the increase in temperature. They have decreased solubility with the increase in temperature. So I have told you about solubility, the amount of solute dissolved in 100 grams of solvents, and I have told you how the solution is formed. Solute plus solvent equals to solution. Solute is the thing that will get dissolved, and the solvent is in which the solute will get dissolved. It's solvent. I hope you understood it. Revise it, learn it, and do your homework as well. Thank you very much for the day. Allah Hafiz.